Alright, so once you have your wild thing drawn on your paper and it fills the paper, you're going to outline it with black permanent marker, the way that you see mine is outlined, with the nice thick striped handled markers. And then you can use that same marker to color in the eyes, dots, and then you're going to use Sharpies, or you can use these thin markers, it's up to you, to add the texture. So we're not going to add texture to the face, you don't have to add any texture to the hair, you're going to work on the body of your wild thing. And just like with the Wild Thing handout, we're going to use these same textures that you see on the Wild Thing. So maybe on the arms I'm going to do the alligator. So it's just a bunch of circles. Now the smaller I draw these circles, the longer it's going to take me, but I don't want to draw them too big because that would just look sloppy. I want you to make sure you use markers that work. If you have a marker that's starting to fade or die on you, stop using it, get a new one, throw it away, we don't need it. We have plenty. And you're going to fill in each of the sections with a different pattern, a different texture, visual texture. We're doing eye texture. And I want you to do it symmetrical. So if you do one arm in alligator, you're going to do the other arm in alligator. Okay, now I didn't use all the textures. There are 6 and I only used 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So there were 2 that I didn't use. If you feel real strongly that you want to use all of them, then add some texture to the feet or to the hair or to the hands. But I don't think it's necessary. I think the body, the arms, and the legs are good enough. And then you're going to color in your wild thing with colored marker. And again, I want you to color it symmetrical. So if you color one hand purple, the other hand I would like to be colored purple. And color nice and neat with the marker. Don't leave any white paper showing. The only thing that's left white on this assignment is the background, the space around our monster, and then the whites of the eyes. Oh, and the whites of the teeth. When you have large areas like this, you're going to want to scribble and do it fast, and then it won't color neatly. So take your time, color slowly to get a nice heavy color. And just like with crayons, if you color in the same direction with the marker, it looks neater than if you color round and scribbly. And once everything is colored except the teeth and the eyes and the background, you have completed your wild thing. Good job.